Welcome back, friends. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can disable ads in any apps or games you wish. Personally, I hate ads and they are very annoying if you are playing games or opening some sorts of applications. So I found a way to disable ads forever without any purchases. In some application there is an option called premium purchase, in which you can disable all ads permanently, but in some of the application it is not the case and you have to see ads as long as you use the application. So I have found a way to tackle this problem. So first before the trick, I'll show you an application. So I'll show you an app. This app's name is Torrent Search Engine. I'll click on accept. So you have to wait. So you can see Opera Mini Fast Web Browser shows an ad like this. Not only this, if I search like something, it just pops out. That's very annoying. I hate this kind of ads because it doesn't allows you to click on any other things. So I will show you. Now you have to click on back button too. So every 5 seconds some of the other ads appear in this application. So I'll show you how you can disable all ads. This trick works on almost all applications. So you have to just close this application and you have to open Lucky Patcher. If you haven't heard of this application, I have made a specific video how to download this application and the problems related to and their solutions. Be sure to check that videos out and the links will be provided in the description. You have to open it. You have to find the application. So for me it's on the second. Click on that and you have to click on menu patches, create modified APK file, APK without Google Ads. You don't have to do anything here. Just click on rebuild the app. So guys, the process going on here, it is rebuilding the app, so it will take some time. So all you have to do is just wait. Don't click anywhere, just leave the screen alone. So the rebuilding is completed. So you will see 4 success and 2 failures. So if you have a rooted phone, you'll have more chances to get more success attempts. So mine is not rooted phone, so it doesn't matter much. At least if you have 2 success attempts and it doesn't matter others are failure. So at least 2 success attempts are a must. So only after that you will continue to install this application. So you have to click on go to file, uninstall and install. You have to click on yes. So just uninstall the previous app and install the new app. Guys, if you have any doubt regarding this application or this process, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. I will always reply your comments. So our application is installed. You have to click on open and see if they are still showing ads or not. Just click on accept. Do you see any ads? No ads will ever appear in this application. And even if you search, no pop-up ads or any banner ads will appear here. So your ad problem is over. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to receive our future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.